I would like to talk about negative energy. Negative energy is that which brings us a negative emotion to our lives. Um, how do we categorize negative energy? Well, negative energy and negative emotion. I like to categorize from a collective worldly view as news. News is mostly negative. It's mostly negative, and then you get a little bit of positive in it. I don't watch the news. I don't watch what might happen in a bad way. I don't give any of my energy to any of the negativity that is portrayed in the world in a probable sense of war or any type of that sense. Um, I feel that when we give any energy to the negative probabilities or possibilities that may or might happen in the world, then we're giving negative energy to it. When we watch the news, we receive negative energy, and that negative energy is we receive it within us, and then we go out and we gossip about it. Um, then we're giving it energy. So when you give negative thought or possibility energy, then you're putting in an energy in it that is can grow. But if you don't put or allow any of that negative energy into your life or put it out into someone else's life or put it out into the world, then it shrinks, it dissolves, it dissipates. When we don't give it any energy, it can't grow. And then it starts to dissolve, it starts to dissipate. So, this is my view on negative energy and what I feel I had to put out today on negative energy and how I perceive it and from what aspects and perspectives that I bring in for uh, for the input on negative energy and um, what you should do with it. And that's just my opinion, but I think if you give any energy to the negative energy or possibilities out there that might be, then I feel like you're sitting in an old earth aspect and we're evolving into the new earth. And when we can only, or we can, when we can start to evolve into the perception of receiving and giving only positive energy, then we can release all this negative energy when we don't put any energy into it. It doesn't grow. We only allow the positive energy to grow. We plant the positive energy, and we um, we allow the negative energy to just dissipate because that's what it's going to do when you don't put energy into it. It's just going to go away.